Students, this is 231st maths class. So I have written one more same question. Same type question, you only solve, try. So we have a formula for sin square x. Tell me formula for sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x. 0 to pi by 2. 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into dx. 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into dx. Write that 2 outside, integrate and apply the limits. So 1 by 2 outside. So integration of 1 is x minus cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. So sin 2x by 2. Which is that by 2? X coefficient. Sin square x. Sin square means 1 minus cos 2x. Cos square means 1 plus cos 2x. Because of this formula, cos 2x is, so 1 minus 2 sin square x. So 1 minus 2 sin square x to cos square x minus 1. You find out sin square from this, you get sin square formula. You find out cos square from this, you will get what? This second formula. Look at this, cos 2x plus 1 by 2. Same formula. So right. Apply limits 0 to pi by 2. So we get these formulas using from these formulas. Right, students? Apply limits. 1 by 2. So tell me upper limit. Pi by 2 minus sine. So 2 pi by 2. So by 2, this is upper limit, minus lower limit, minus x0, minus sin 0, 0. 0 by anything is 0. That's all. 2 again. So I think we get same answer. 1 by 2, pi by 2 minus sin pi 0. Sin pi 0. 0 by anything is 0. So tell me final answer. Pi by 4. Same answer. So right. Let us go for next question. So let us go for one more question. So next question is, so right. So next question is, so 0 to 2 to 3. X dx by x square plus 1. X dx by x square plus 1. Look at this, students. You put star for this. You put star for that. So observe this carefully. So how you integrate this? How this can be integrated? I told you so many times. In most of the cases, that putta method comes you to help. Putta method is more useful. Every time, in most of the cases, first you think of using putta method. If putta method does not work, you think for alternative methods. You go for alternative methods. Here putta method works. Put x square plus 1 equals t. Because differentiation of x square is 2x. In that we have x. This differentiate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Let us use putta method. Put x square plus 1 equals t. Differentiate this. So differentiation of x square is, so 2x. 1 is 0. On that x side you write dx is equal to what? dt. x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ dx ಬರೀರಿ, t ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ dt ಬರೀರಿ. So I hope you understood. You are understanding. X square is 2x. Differentiation of x is dx. T is dt. So right. So now we don't have 2x. We have only x. 2x illa bare x irodu. Send that to right side. X dx is, so dt by 2. So already I explained. We solved more problems on putta method. Putta method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So right, x dx. Look at these students. One more thing. These numbers, limits, these values are actually x values. One thing you remember, here the variable x is present. The variable x is present means these numbers should be x values only. It is understood. Every time we won't write x. Simply we write 2 to 3. Suppose if it is so 2 t by so t square plus 1 into dt 1 to 2. Tell me students, now you tell me these two numbers are t values only. We won't write every time we won't write t is equal to 1 to 2 t equals to 2. It is understood. If that t is not mentioned, it is understood. These two are values of this variable only. Values of the variable which exists in the integral, which comes in the integral, which appears in the integral. Other the values of t values antane artha adu, right? Look at this students. Substitute in that solution. Substitute in that. So write x dx. How much is x dx? dt by 2. Putta method means changing all x terms into what? T. Put andre enartha? Change ಮಾಡಿ. Substitute andre enartha? Substitute means replace. Remove it and replace. Substitute. So I am going to substitute for your place means what does it mean? I am replacing your place. I am replacing your place. Right? So right, what is x dx? dt by 2. By what? T. So t. Right? So 2 to 3. Keep that 1 by 2 outside. 1 minute students. Don't solve. Don't write. Wait. 1 minute. 2 to 3. So dt by 2 by t. 1 by 2 outside. 1 by 2. So 2 to 3. 1 by t dt. 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. 1 by t is log t. So 1 by 2. So log t. Log mod. We use mod. So 2 to 3. Wait. Usually most of the students make this type of mistake. Usually most of the students are not aware of this type of mistakes. The mistake which is happening in this case is these two are x values. Can it possible to put x values for t? No. ಇವು x values. ಅವನು x is equal to ಅಂತ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇದ್ರು ಅವು x values. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಲು ಅದೇ ಅರ್ಥನೇ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ಅರ್ಥನೇ. ನಾವು ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ? 2 to 3 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So right, look at this. Then what to do with this? First, so look at this carefully. I explain one problem neatly. I am changing variable x into t now. I decided if I go for putta method, that means we are changing all x terms into t. At the same time, you should not forget to change these x values into t. ಇವನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ x ಅನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ t ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ? ಈ x values ಅನ್ನು t ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to change? Look at this. Put this upper limit in this. Put this upper x value in this. So how much it is? So 3 square, 9 plus 1 is equal to t, 10 is equal to t. If I substitute upper x value in this, I am going to get upper t value. If I substitute lower x value in this, I am going to get lower t value. Upper limit ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ upper limit t ಬರುತ್ತೆ, lower x value ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ lower t value, lower limit ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So one more x value ನೋಡೋಣ. 5 plus 2 square 5. 4 plus 1 equals t. It is 5 equals t. Substitute in that. So therefore, so tell me limits. Limits are from lower limit is 5 to 10. You can write into variable t equals 5 to t equals 10 variable. You write t equals 5 to t equals 10, or simply you write 5 to 10. 5 to 10. So what is x dx? So dt by 2. So dt by 2. So by, we are taking this denominator as what? T. So t. So write that 1 by 2 outside. Integration of 1 by x, log log t, log mod t or simply t. So limits are from 5 to 10. Can these limits be applied for this t? Yes, because they are t values. They are t values. So final answer is 1 by 2 into, tell me that, log mod 10. 10 only. Is that mod required? No, because it's positive number. Log 10 minus what? Log 5. Log n minus log n. Log m by n. So 1 by 2. So log. So 10 by 5. 5 2s. So 1 by 2. So log 2. So how much is answer, students? 1 by 2 log 2. You always remember this point. In putta method, so don't forget to change the limits. In putta method, for putta method, you should not forget to change the limits. In putta method, changing limits is must. Some people, they won't like to change the limits. They can do by this alternate method also. ಕೆಲವರು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ OR. So OR. So you start from this. So that is x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 3. How much is x dx? X dx is dt by 2. So dt by 2. So by x square plus 1. So tell me that x square plus 1 t. Keep that 1 by 2 outside. Integration of 1 by t is log t. Log mod t. Limits are from x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 3. We cannot substitute x values for t. By keeping that in mind, for that reason, you substitute back for t. You bring this t into x. T na x tangbudi. What is t value? X square plus 1. T वापस हाकबिಡಿ. So 1 by 2. So log. So what is t? X square plus 1. 2 to 3. Now, can these two limits be applied for this side? Yes. Now it is possible. Now it is correct. Upper limit minus lower limit. So it is 1 by 2. So tell me that log 3 square 9 plus 1 10 minus lower limit log 2 square 4 plus 1 5. Log n minus log n. Log n by n. So 1 by 2. So log. So 10 by 5. So 1 by 2. So log 2. 1 by 2 log 2. I hope you understood. The general point to be remembered is substitute x value to x, t values to t. You can apply t values to t, x values to x. Keep that in mind. So instead of surplusing like this, every time, whenever we go for putta method, so simultaneously you go for changing limits also. Put ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ, ಅದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್, let us solve some more problems on this putta method. Zero to one x into e power x square dx. 0 to 1 x into e power x square dx. Again you use putta method for this. Tell me which one is to be chosen for put x square. x square t ಕೊಟ್ರೆ x ಬರುತ್ತೆ, x ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x square ಬರಲ್ಲ. Put x square equals t. Solution. So put x square equals t. Put x square equals t. So change the limits. First you change the limits or differentiate first. 2x dx is equal to dt. Differentiation of x square is 2x. x is dx, t is dt. x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ dx ಬರೀರಿ, t ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ dt ಬರೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. So right. Do we require this to? No. Send that to right side. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ we have x dx. In our question we have only x dx. So x dx is so dt by 2. Substitute. So is equal to. So can I change the limits? Change the limits. Upper limit. Changing the limits is required. So what is x? 1. 1 equals t. Upper limit is 1 only. X values. How do you decide these two are x values? Because we have the variable x. These values related to this variable x only. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ x ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಅವು. Actually x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. That means the variable x which is present in this varies from 0 to 1 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. The variable x which is present in this varies from 0 to 1 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So right. So t equals 1 lower limit. X 0 ಹಾಕಿ 0 square 0. So limits. So tell me t values again 0 to 1. ಅದೇ ಬರಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬರಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡಿ. Substituting that. You go for substituting. So therefore tell me limits. Limits are 0. So t is 0. Upper limit 1. X dx. How much is x dx? dt by 2. So e power x square is t. So x dx is so dt by 2. Keep that 1 by 2 outside. 1 by 2. So integration of e power x is e power x only. Integration of e power x is e power x. It is e power t. So 0 to 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by 2 into. So e power 1 minus e power 0. E power 1 minus e power 0. Because there are t values. T values can be substituted for t. So right. So 1 by 2. So e minus 1. 1 by 2 e minus 1. Any number power 0 is 1. Any number, e is number. Any number power 0. 2 power 0 1. 3 power 0 1. E power 0 1. Any number power 0 is 1 only. How much is answer? 1 by 2 e minus 1. Next question is. So let us go for one more question. So right. So next question. So 0 minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. 5x power 4 into root of x power 5 plus 1 into dx. Again you look at this one. So putta method works. If I put x power 5 equals t, differentiation of x power 5 is 5x power 4. We have that. Use putta method for this. You use putta method. So right. Use putta method. Put x power 5 plus 1 equals t. So right. Solution. Put x power 5 plus 1 equals t. X power 5 plus 1 equals t. Differentiate that. So differentiation of x power 5. So differentiate that. Solution. So differentiation of x power 5. 5x power 4 into dx is equal to dt. 5x power 4. n into x power n minus 1. n into x power n minus 1. Differentiation of 1 is 0. So is this 5 required for our question? Yes. Is this 5 required for our question? Yes. 5 x ಹಾಕಿ ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು? ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಕಿ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇವು x ಗೆ 1 ಹಾಕಿ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ t ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೋಯರ್ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಲೋಯರ್ t ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಐ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 1 plus 1 2, lower limit minus 1 power 5 minus 1, minus 1 power 5 minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 0, 0. Carefully write. Is that correct? Minus 1 power 5 minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 0. So it root x power 5 plus 1, it is t. 5 x power 4 into dx dt. So root t, you write root t as t power 1 by 2. So x power n. So 0 to 2. So t power 1 by 2 dt. X power n. Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. T power half plus 1. 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So 0 to 2. 0 to 2. So right. Are there t values? Yes. They are t values only. So reverse it. So 2 by 3 into upper limit minus lower limit. So tell me how much is t? 2 power 3 by 2 minus lower limit 0. 0 power anything is 0. 2 power 3 by 2. Right? 2 root 2. So right. 2 power 3 by 2. It is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means what? 1 by 2 square root. 2 root 2. So 2 cube 8 alva. So root of 2 cube. Sare kaltಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ root ಹಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So 2 power 3 by 2. So 2 cube whole power 1 by 2. A power n whole power n. M into n 3 into 1 by 2 3 by 2. So square root of 2 cube 8. So 8 is 4 2s are. So it is 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 ಬರೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. So 2 power 3 by 2. So one more way. So 2 power 3 by 2. Correct. So right. 2 cube. So right. 2 power 1 by 2 whole cube. M into n into m both are same. Root 2 whole cube. Root 2 whole cube. You write that root 2 whole cube as root 2 whole square into root 2. Root 2 whole square is 2 root 2. So method does not matter. You should learn. Whatever the method is, you should learn how to get correct answer. So right. So 2 by 3 into what? So 2 root 2. So final answer is 4 root 2 by 3. 4 root 2 by 3. Let us solve one more question. Let us go for solving it. So one more question. So next question is 0 to 1. So tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. So one more question on putta method. So write 0 to 1. So tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx. Again you use putta method. Put tan inverse x equals t. So and solve that. Solve that simple question. So write put so tan inverse x equals t. Solution. Put so tan inverse x equals t. So differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So 1 by 1 plus x square. Again x is dx is equal to dt. So differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square into dx dt. So change the limits. Change the limits. Tan inverse 1. tan inverse 1 equals t. How much is tan inverse 1? Pi by 4. Pi by 4 equals t. Next lower limit. Put ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So tan inverse 0. So tan inverse 0 equals t. How much is tan inverse 0? 0 equals t. So go for that. You go for that. So write 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. So we have taken tan inverse x as what? T. So t. So dx by 1 plus x square. Dx by 1 plus x square it is dt. dt. X power n. X power n. Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So t square by 2. T square by 2. Limits are from 0 to pi by 4. Keep that 1 by 2 outside. 1 by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. These two are t values only. Can be substituted for t. Pi by 4 whole square. Minus lower limit 0 square. 0. So write 1 by 2 into pi square 16. Pi square by 16 to the 32. I hope you understood, friends. Let us stop this class. We shall continue solving more problems in the next class. Thank you.